What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Poke Dungeon. I've got a small little opening I picked up from Walmart. A couple of these tech sticker collections from Paladin Fates. I got these when they first came out. We've got two different ones here. This is the Grivard with the shiny promo. I've actually already opened. There's actually another one missing from the set, but I've already opened a pack of three of these, which had 9 packs in it. And out of one of these, I actually hit the Mew and the Charizard, believe it or not, which is really cool. But we're gonna do 6 packs. This is just a little quick opening here, and we're gonna see if we can pull something sick. See if we can continue. There's a couple other cards I'm looking for in my set. If you've seen one of my other videos, you've seen the cards that I've pulled in this set so far. I have got some new ones since then, so as soon as we're done opening these packs, I'll do a quick reel going through the whole set, and we'll see exactly what we got. So let's get right to it, guys. So we got this. I really like these cool stickers, guys. I've actually put them on my folders and different things that I have for all my different sets of cards I got. And I've got tons of Pokemon stickers, but these are really cool shiny stickers. Pretty cool. And we have the code card. And then we have the promo Grivard. Okay. Move that to the side. We got our 3 packs. And we're going to open this one, the Fidough. Four, 5, 6. Got our sticker. We have our next code card. And then we have our next promo. I'm going to go ahead and get these sleeved up. And let's go ahead and get this stuff in the trash. And we'll get it on. So let's get these in the sleeves. Bada bing, bada boom. And guys, this is a very big set. I mean, this set's got so many cards. It's got quite a few promos as well. But if we can go ahead and get this video up to even 20 likes. We get 20 likes on this video, I'll give these 2 promo cards away to one lucky winner. All you have to do is like the video, leave a comment down below what's your favorite Pokemon in this set, and I will announce the winner, and I will give these 2 cards, and I will send you a pack of either Sword and Shield or Scarlet and Violet era. So please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the all notifications button on. Leave a comment below. Help me grow this channel, guys. And I am not sponsored by Coke, by the way. All right. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These packs feel kind of heavy, guys. I'm hoping we got some. Can we really hit something good out of these 6 packs? We're gonna find out right now. We're going to start off with the Pikachu heart. Paladin Fates, baby. This pack feels heavy. It really does. Feels like ultra heavy. Got the code card. We have 1 energy. All right, here we go, folks. We have a Ghastly. We have a Paladin Student. We have a Fido. We have a Haunter. A Primeape. A Ultra Ball. A Mosshold. A Reverse Holographic Artisan. And a special illustration rare, but nothing special. Got this card already 100 times over. Anyways, but I guess it's still a hit, so. Can we get something good? Can we get something good? Can we get something special? We got the code card. We have one. I'm gonna call it Fire Energy. No, this ain't Dark Energy. Dating. A Noibat. Chimicho. Pikachu. Dashbun. A Gengar. That Gengar is sick. They should have made that into a freaking shiny or something. We have a Electric Generator. A Reverse Holographic Wooper. A Reverse Chinchou. And the rare is a Toedscruel, which I'm pretty sure I already have that card as well. Alright guys, let's see here. We got 4 more packs. Can we get some heat? Come on guys, give us some heat. Give us a banger. Give us something good to eat here. I'm gonna do Electric Energy. Oh, of course it's fire. Charmander. Rare Candy. Tandemus. Barboach. Gengar again. We have a Oinklown, Artisan, Trainer card, Reverse Holographic Woobat, a Reverse Holographic Cyclizar, and the rare, an Executor. This is pretty disappointing since the last time I opened these stickers, I actually hit some really good cards. But you know, hey guys, that's the risk you take when you play this game. Water Energy. Let's go! We have a Woobat. We have a Tandemus. A Paladin Wooper again. A Execute. We have an Ultra Ball. A Swoobat. A Clive. A shiny Oinklown. Beautiful. Don't have this one yet. A Executor. Alright. Not bad, not bad, not bad so far, guys. I want that Gardevoir. I definitely need that Gardevoir. Let's do Electric Energy. Ooh, Fighting Energy. Mischief. A Barboach. We have a Lechonk. Execute again. A Atticus. Dumpin. Electric Generator. Reverse Holographic Atticus. A Reverse Varoom. And another Paladin EX. You know, I'm not getting the best hits, but at the end of the day, these packs are, I mean, they are hitting, just not that good. So, can we get some last pack magic, guys? Hopefully we started off with a Water Energy. Oh, Leaf Energy. Can we hit the rare Ralts, Toedscool, Clobbopus, Frigibax, Whimsicott, a Atticus, a Donphan, Reverse Holographic Marcus, the reverse holographic Ultra Ball, and the rare is a Professor's Research. And there you have it, folks. Nothing too special, nothing too crazy. Definitely lost out on these two sticker packs. For sure, not even retrieving the value that I spent on these cards. So, thank you guys for watching again. This was just a quick small opening. Please check out the channel again for more openings. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. I could really use the support, guys. I'm trying to build this channel, trying to do something special here. I'd like to keep making more videos for you guys and keep opening cool Pokemon cards and whatever else keeps everybody happy in life. So thank you for watching again, and we'll see you on the next one.